good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you and your hair are going through it like me and mine, then this is the video for you. So it's an everyday struggle with frizz if you don't have silky smooth hair already. My hair is a little bit textured. It does have some natural loose waves going, but as you can see, my hair is also dyed, and so because of that, over time your hair gets a little bit drier, gets a little crusty, rusty, and dusty. So I'm here to share with y'all my first impressions of a keratin at-home treatment from ANSWR. They're actually rebranded. You may have previously known them as Oh Wow, but they rebranded to ANSWR, and they also have a newly formulated keratin treatment kit. They were so nice enough to send me one to test out and share with y'all, and it came just in time because lately my hair has just been kind of dry and ratted out, so my hair is definitely in need of a treatment that will make my hair softer, smoother, shinier in a healthy way and not the greasy way. So first I do want to just show y'all what comes in the kit itself. Once you open it, it'll say turn heads, and it has the instructions, easily legible, straightforward, to the point. Here are the goodies that are in the box, and they actually sent me an extra little flyaway and brow control, and it has this applicator inside. I haven't tried it yet, but it was so nice of them to add this to my bundle. But for the main event, you have the keratin treatment that is a spray bottle, and I actually love that it's a spray bottle because I feel like it'll be a lot easier to apply to my hair. It's all about convenience, honestly. Here's the keratin treatment bottle itself. It is 100 milliliters, and depending on your hair type, such as length, thickness, etc., you may use the whole bottle or you may only use maybe like half the bottle. But with ANSWR, they do say more is more, so if you think maybe it's not enough that you're putting in your hair, just add more product. It also comes with their shampoo and conditioner that is sulfate free, and they do recommend that you use a sulfate free only shampoo and conditioner. That way you can really maximize the longevity of the treatment. And these are also 100 milliliters. I believe they do have a bigger kit, but this is great to start off if you're just wanting to test it out on your hair. Also, I can already kind of smell it through the packaging, but I'm really big on scents, and I always love my hair care products to smell good. I don't really know how to explain the scent, but all y'all need to know is that it does smell good and it doesn't bother me in any way. It's not too strong. So here's those two. But before I get into actually testing out the product, I do want to go over the benefits of this treatment from ANSWR. I want to kind of lay out the foundation of what it's supposed to do. That way afterwards we can compare it and see if it's giving what it's supposed to give. So first and foremost, like any keratin treatment, it is supposed to help restore the health of your hair, repair damaged hair, and just ultimately tame your frizz and have silky smooth hair. What I love about this is it's supposed to last up to 3 months after you first do the treatment, and on top of that, it works on all types of hair, even if you have curly hair. Obviously I don't have super curly hair, so I can't vouch for that. I have just kind of normal beachy wave type hair, so I do want to see how my hair turns out after that. And what I found really interesting about this keratin treatment, I'm not sure if this goes for all treatments, however with this one specifically, it does say it's thermoactive, so after you do the treatment you are supposed to blow dry your hair, and that's how it gets the treatment activated. But those are the main benefits, and if y'all are intrigued and are looking to save even more money, I got y'all. You can click the referral link in the description box and also use discount code Kalia to save 15% off any of the products that ANSWR has on their website. So with that being said, we're gonna head over to the bathroom and try out this treatment. So here's a before of my hair. As you can see, my hair is just kind of really dry. Honestly, you can see at the bottom of my hair, it's just a little dead. I'm sure a lot of it roots in the fact that I burn my hair a lot. I also have it dyed, and it's a lighter color at that. But that's what we're working with. All right, we got our handy dandy instructions. So the first is just a section and spray your hair, and you do want to start on a clean hair, and I did just wash my hair last night. So I'm gonna start with the bottom. That works. So I'm gonna take this and just start spraying. I don't know why I was expecting it was going to be a mister, but it's a little bit more of a straight, what's the word? Dispense of the product? I don't know how to say it. So that way you're not wasting. Okay, I'm sure I could put more, but I'm just going to start another section, and that way afterwards I can touch up sections with the leftover product that I have in the bottle, if you catch my drift. You can kind of tell once it's saturated because your hair looks, you know, way down. It looks wet. I'm really excited to see how my hair will look after being blow dried, because I am not a blow dry dryer gal because of the texture of my hair. Like if I blow dry my hair, it will literally be so frizzed out, it's ridiculous. So that's why I just never brush my hair after the shower. I don't blow dry it, I just let it air dry and do its thing. And even then it'll still be frizzy, so I really just can't win. But if I can like actually blow dry my hair and stuff and it won't be frizzy, that would be kind of dope. And if you're like me, I'm just so into doing things at home, trying things out myself, because when it comes to makeup, hair, any other type of self-care thing, I'm very experimental. It already feels really soft on my hair. Now we're gonna do this top section. I think I still have a lot of products left, so I can definitely go back in and make sure I really coated and lathered every section well. And they say you're supposed to keep this on for 40 minutes for thinner hair, but 60 for thicker, so I'm probably gonna keep it on for 60. Honestly, I would wear my hair out like this, because given that wet look, feeling like Kim K right now with this hairstyle. I've fully coated my hair, and here's what it looks like from the back with all the product in. It says to comb through, make sure treatment is evenly distributed, and leave your hair open. Oh, so does that mean I have to leave my hair down? So I'm gonna set my timer, and then I'll come back once it's been the 50 minutes or so. Alright y'all, it's been about an hour. Before I rinse out my hair with water, I just wanted you to see what my hair looked like once the product was fully soaked in. I'm gonna go rinse out and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, just rinsed my hair and now I'm gonna blow dry it. Y'all know that I said I don't blow dry my hair, so we'll see how this goes. I don't even think I know how to do it properly, if I'm being honest. While we blow dry, I'm actually gonna plug in the straightener now, so that way it'll be ready and heated up by the time. And then it says to set it to 200 degrees Celsius. I do not know the conversion of Celsius to... Bro, why does this always get tangled? Y'all, okay, they weren't kidding when they said doing this keratin treatment will cut your blow dry time in half, because normally when I go to the salon and I get my hair dyed, they obviously wash it after and they'll blow dry my hair until it's dry, and I'm sitting there for maybe like 10-15 minutes just waiting for my hair to dry. It's not completely dry right now. I'm gonna do it for a little bit more, but I haven't even been doing this for like 5 minutes and my hair is already pretty dry. That is crazy. This is my hair after it's blow dried. Of course, it's still a little puffy. I'm not sure if it was supposed to not make it puffy after I blow dry it, but we're gonna see what it looks like after I straighten my hair. But I found out mine goes up to 450 and they want it to be like about 400 degrees, so I just put mine on 35 to 40. We're gonna section off my hair. In the instructions it says approximately 2 centimeters wide of strands. Okay, I'm gonna finish this bottom layer and then we'll move on to the top. Bottom layer done. Oh, y'all ever be doing your hair and you just be sweating because you moving around and the heat from the freaking iron. The moment we've been waiting for is here. I completed all the steps and look at my hair. Do y'all see? Well, it feels smooth, but also I think it just looks smooth and a lot healthier than what it looked like before. Because normally after I'm done straightening my hair, there's a little bit more frizz to it. Yeah, I still have like some of my flyaways up here, but it would normally be not super flattened out. But I think the bottom of my hair doesn't look too bad as compared to before when I normally would do it. I also feel like my hair is staying a lot straighter than when I normally do it, because by the time I finish, these front pieces will already be kind of curved, shaped around to my face. But y'all can kind of see the shine a little bit. I feel like it's hard just because my hair is dyed in like different colors right now. I think it just overall looks healthy. So as a first impression, I really like how it tamed down my frizz, but I will definitely check in with y'all after the first wash. It says to not wash your hair for 24 hours, so I'm gonna let that be, and then when I finally do the wash with the shampoo and conditioner, I will show y'all my hair after and compare. This is post-wash day. I used the shampoo and conditioner. Like the instructions say, I waited 24 hours, then I washed my hair, and then they say to blow dry after you wash. And for being blow dried, I would say my hair is honestly super calm, super tamed, because in the rare event that I do blow dry my hair, it'll be dry to the touch. It will also look really huge and frizzy. Here's what my hair looks like from the back. So I love that the treatment doesn't completely take away your volume while still being silky soft. Just small critiques that I will say is at the top of my head, you can still see these little flyaways that I have. But of course, I feel like that's inevitable to happen just because they are my baby hairs, but the rest of my hair is in pretty good shape. And then also, as for the smell of the shampoo and conditioner, I would say it's not my favorite because personally when I smelled it out the bottle, I thought it was perfectly fine. It smelled really good. But as I was putting it into my hair and lathering and then washing out, I didn't really like the scent. Don't know exactly how to describe it, but maybe it kind of smelled like how my hair smells after I get it dyed, or it was kind of giving like a burnt smell. But that could just be me and how it interacts with my hair. I think it'll be different for everybody else. But those were just small things. But the overall effectiveness of the treatment, I would say it did what it needed to do. But again, the referral link will be in my description box, so y'all can check out all of ANSWR's products, their kits, bundles, or even just their products sold individually. You can use my discount code KaliaNicole. But that's pretty much it, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.